Hello, live long and prosper. I recorded the first video, but now it failed, so now I'm recording the second video about the same shit. So, you know how we have perfect images from AI creator creating programs. Intelligence creates perfect pictures, amazing pictures, wonderful pictures. But what we have here, on the other hand, is that in reality they don't exist. If you, like me, live in reality, you know this is still not AI. This is still my real stubble, my real chin, my real flesh. I'm not a virtual character. So, uh, at least I tell you so. You can doubt it. Uh, but I tell you, as a reptiloid, I'm a real character made of flesh. So we have we have amazing, wonderful pictures from AI, and we don't have this content in real life. If you again live in real world like me, the reptiloid, you will not meet this wonderful images in your real life. So it brings two solutions. One is to 3D print this perfect images with printers like made of flesh that print neurons, hair, skin, flesh, everything else that print them. And, and the second is to go into virtual reality and recreate them absolutely in virtual reality, where we will live as Lone Mower Man. This movie and book, Lone Mower Man. So, the second option. But right now, what I have, when I see a artificially created AI picture, I already have developed an immunity to that. Immunity. Because I realize this is an AI picture. It's beautiful, it's wonderful, but something in my brain tells me, in the left hemisphere, that it's not real. It's not real. We cannot make them together. This here, perfect picture, real world that I live in, and maybe you do too, still, the real world, they they now don't meet. They don't meet. Again, I gave you the solution, so that to 3D print with flash or to go absolutely into virtual reality, but now they don't meet. Perfect images, real life, with people, with problems, with scent, aromas, and everything from the skin, and with real problems and with real health issues. These things now don't mix. So again, I'm just pondering a question. It's not the answer. I'm not answering this. No, I'm pondering a question. Where do we go from here? 3D print them, go into virtual reality to meet them. What else? It's more of a question than an answer. Um, and again, because of that, because these two worlds kind of like don't meet at all, I developed what is called, and millions of people already developed, AI created content immunity. Immunity. When I see this image created by an AI, something tells me in my mind, in my neurons, that it's not real. And I have developed an immunity to these images. And probably millions of people around too. You know, So, I gave you some possible solutions for that. I gave you the question that I'm pondering. And it's not the answer. You answer it yourself. Thank you. Live long and prosper.